Unit 3. How to use PowerPoint to create presentations. Microsoft PowerPoint is a popular software application used for creating visually appealing and engaging presentations. Whether you need to deliver a business presentation, an educational lecture, or a professional slideshow, PowerPoint offers a wide range of tools and features to help you create impactful presentations. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use PowerPoint to create presentations. Launching PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint by clicking on the program icon or by searching Microsoft PowerPoint in the Start menu or search bar of your computer. Choosing a presentation template. PowerPoint provides a variety of pre-designed templates to help you get started quickly. You can choose a template by clicking on File in the menu bar, selecting New, and browsing through the available templates. If you prefer to start with a blank presentation, you can skip this step, creating a presentation. To start a blank presentation, click on Blank or press Ctrl and N. PowerPoint will open a new slide for you to begin designing your presentation. Adding slides. PowerPoint presentations are composed of multiple slides. To add a new slide, go to the Home tab in the menu bar. Click on New Slide button. Choose a slide layout from the options presented, such as the title of the slide, the content slide, or a specific layout that suits your content. Enter text and content. In each slide, enter the text and content relevant to your presentation. Use the text boxes provided on the slide to type in your content. You can also add images, graphs, charts, videos, or any other multimedia elements by going to the Insert tab in the menu bar and selecting the desired option. Formatting and designing slides. PowerPoint offers various formatting options to enhance the visual appeal of your slides. You can change the font styles, sizes, and colors, applying bold or italic formatting, aligning text, and adjusting spaces. Use the formatting option in the Home tab to modify the appearance of your text and content. Customizing your slide layout. PowerPoint allows you to customize slide layouts according to your presentation needs. You can modify the layout by going to Slide Master under the Views tab. Here, you can change background styles, fonts, colors, and placeholders that will determine the structure and design of your slides. Applying themes and styles. PowerPoint provides you with a wide range of built-in themes and styles to give your presentation a consistent and professional look. Go to the Design tab in the menu bar and choose from the available themes. You can also apply different color schemes, fonts, and effects to match your presentation's tone and purpose. Adding animations and transitions. To make your presentation more engaging and dynamic, you can add animations and slide transitions. Animations bring elements on your slide to life, while transitions control how slides appear and move from one to another. Access the Animations and Transitions tab in the menu bar to apply the various effects and timings. Organizing and rearranging slides. PowerPoint allows you to easily rearrange and organize your slides. In the slide thumbnail on the left-hand side, click and drag slides to change their order. You can also duplicate or delete slides as needed. Practicing your slideshow. Before presenting, it is essential to practice your slideshow to ensure a smooth and confident delivery. Go to the Slideshow tab in the menu bar. Click on From Beginning to preview your presentation. You can navigate through the slides using the keyboard shortcuts or the on-screen controls, saving and sharing your presentation. To save your presentation or share your presentation, go to the File tab and select Save or press Ctrl and S. Choose a location on your computer and provide a name for your file. It is recommended to save your work frequently to avoid losing any data. You can also share your presentation by selecting Save As or Share to save it in different formats, or share it via email or cloud services. In conclusion, Microsoft PowerPoint presents you additional features and functionalities you can explore beyond the basics covered in this guide. Thank you.